and every night, I am gonna fight to win.
We kicking ass now.
Every day and every night, I am gonna fight to win.
We bring the house down.
Every day and every night, I am gonna fight to win.
We crush our enemies.
Every day and every night, I am gonna fight to win.
We bring them to their knees.
I step in the arena, I get my knuckles cracking. I try to keep it clean, but who knows what could happen. I see a long row and ensemble of the best fighters from a combo of consoles. First came Ryu, a guy who cries as he tries to fight you. I decked the dude in his chest just before I shot Blanca when I kicked the bull directly in his testicles. And Sub-Zero felt the need to freeze me, squeeze me, that's cheesy, his ass left bleeding. I Falcon punch Captain Falcon just as I super smash my